What is going on, Shiba Army? This is your boy Random Arts coming with a quick video. And on this video, guys, we're going to be talking about Bone Shiba Swap token. And the topic of discussion as of late has been, will Bone be listed onto Binance? So we're going to be talking about that. And I'm going to give you guys my thoughts, my opinion when it comes to Bone being listed on Binance. So before I do, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I definitely love to hear you guys' thoughts and opinion about Bone. So taking a quick look at the overall global crypto market, sitting down 1.43% in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin is having that up and under the 70K mark. So the stock market still have not been open yet. So when it opens, we may see a rip, and hopefully we are able to sustain those gains as far as with that rip. Ethereum at 3,700. So it is very, very likely. And I saw that they started making the tickers as far as for the spot Ethereum ETF. So it looks like more likely we are going to be able to see that, because it was something similar to that whenever we seen the Bitcoin ETF. So that's super exciting, especially for any crypto project that is on Ethereum, like your Shiba Inus and Bone. So taking a quick look at Bone in the last 24 hours, it is down 1.43%. Again, keeping up with the overall market. So just imagine the market start ripping. Hopefully, Bone continue to follow the same suit, follow the same trend as the market. Now, when we take a look, guys, at Binance futures, we are still on the website ranked number 10. So when it comes to like, oh, do I think that Bone is going to get listed on Binance? I think so, because they did this on their free will as far as to initiate putting Bone as a futures candidate. So they have an idea of who is Bone, so since Bone is on here, so they already have the eye of it. So I think with an application as far as with Binance to try to get listed on there, they're going to be like, oh yeah, we know about them. Let's go ahead and listen. This is why I think it is a strong possibility. Not only that, you have the news article, the news magazine for Sheeb. They're talking about it. You also have Daily Coin. They're talking about it. It says Shiba Inu's Bone on the brink of Binance listing, question mark. And so everybody is speculating the same thing when it comes to Bone being listed on Binance. So before I seen, I was like, okay, whatever, that's what they think. But after reading what's the goal behind it, because again, the goal behind Binance trying to list these projects is due to the fact that they saw a trend. They said we have observed a trend, tokens launching at high valuation with low initial circulating supply. So that was the trend, people just putting their token up to billions of dollars as far as evaluation. They launch it onto Binance, or they get added to Binance. Next thing you know, their token start dumping because insiders are dumping. People who got in early started dumping, and that is in fact hurting their community. So what they're looking for low evaluation to mid evaluation as far as it is right here. It says to foster a healthy industry with a variety of market participants, talking about the people that's coming in, including projects with low to medium valuation. So that's the targeted sector as far as who they are looking for. And a great example of this, which did very, very well for their community, because think about it this way: if you have a platform and your user base are coming on there to be able to trade, they're not trading just for the fun of it. They're trading to be able to make money. And if you're bringing in tokens that's going to help them make money, then they're going to more likely be, a long time customer as far as for your platform. Because like, man, every token that they list, it moons. So that's going to cause more volume. It's going to cause, pretty much a overall healthy environment, just like how they outlined in in their listing article there. So one great example of this is Ordi. Ordi, all the supply of Ordi was already out. What they end up doing is just coming out and just listing their token, and the valuation at the time was 110, 116 million market cap. And as soon as they got listed on Binance, guys, their users, their holders, they started buying it, and boom, and they made money. So this to me is a good example of it. But if you take a look at Bone's evaluation, it's according to CoinMarketCap, it's 159 million, which we know is not accurate, but it does fit within that low to medium criteria. So this is another check off as far as how or why I think Bone would be able to be listed on Binance because it's exactly what they're looking for. They also mentioned that they're looking for strong communities, as well as a good team. So it's no secret Binance at one point in time they did own Bone, because the way that they owned Bone was through the rewards that they received. They were staking their Shiba Inu and they were receiving Bone as reward. Unfortunately, last April they did dump those bones onto us, causing this with FUD as well too, causing this overall downward spiral right here on Bone. But again, they know who Bone is. So this is why I'm super excited as far as like what is to come for Bone in these next couple of months. Hopefully the team did already do the application to be able to get listed onto Binance. So one last couple of things I do want to just mention. We do have Roaring Kitty. Again, this is like probably one of the biggest gainers. Yeah, this is one of the biggest gainers on this channel as far as for tokens that I reported. Continue to keep talking about it. So that way we continue to grow this community because again, I believe that this right here is going to be a very, very big community in the long run, as long as people, participate or whatnot. But taking a quick look, guys, it is approaching a support area right here. So currently right now sitting at 0.304692, market cap of $469,000. But yeah, guys, really that is all that I have for you today. Let me know in the comment down below your thoughts, your opinion about the Binance listing or about Roaring Kitty or how much money you made on Roaring Kitty. But Random Mars guys signing off. Peace!